In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Haki in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are 3 Haki that you can acquire in King Legacy. You will be able to acquire the Conqueror's Haki, which is called Hao Shuko. You can acquire the Armament Haki, which is titled Buso Shuko. And then finally, you have the Observation Haki, which is titled Kanbun Shoku in-game. So you will be able to acquire these 3 Hakis for a specific price for each. So first, for the Armament Haki, you will be able to acquire it by purchasing it for 500,000 belly from an NPC at the Bubble Island. So just go into the building and you will be able to talk to him to get it. This is the easiest one to acquire and it's arguably the best type. So it's the one that I would recommend for most players. For the Conqueror's Haki, you will have to acquire it from the shop. So if you go over here into the in-game shop, you will be able to browse through various items, and one of them is going to be the Conqueror's Haki. So as you can see, it is under Game Passes Permanent, and you can acquire it for 205,000 Robux. And as soon as you purchase it, it is going to be available. There is also a 1 in 1,000 chance that you get it the first time that you join King Legacy. Now, for the last type of Haki, the Observation Haki, you will have to purchase it for 1,500,000 belly at the Sky Island from this NPC, the Ken Haki seller. So go to this specific building, talk to the NPC, and you will be able to acquire the last type of Haki, Observation. After you acquire any of these Haki, they are always going to be available for you to equip and activate at any point. You will get instructions on how to do so and see the distinct abilities. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Haki in King's Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.